In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to Tuya app. Although I am showing you to add this camera, but the process is same for any other model of security camera that uses the Tuya app. So it doesn't matter whether they are in different model or different brand, but if the camera uses the Tuya app, then this video is for you. So let's get started. In step 1, we will learn how to install the app and create an account. I'm showing you for both Apple iPhone, this is Apple iPhone, and the Android phone, this is a Samsung phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store, and for Android phone, go to Play Store and write Tuya, Tuya, Tuya Smart. Similarly, so this one, so get install. Similarly, right here Tuya, Tuya, and install. So they are installing now. This one is almost done. So open, allow, then sign up. Then you need to choose your country, and we need to enter our email address. And this one is installing. Here it installing. So open, agree, sign up. If you already have an account, then log in, but if you are new user, then we need to sign up. Okay, so now the same process for both iPhone and the Android phone, you can see. So I'm only showing now with the iPhone and keeping that one away. So we need to enter our email address. So I'm entering my email address, then agree, get verification code. Now we need to check our email to get the verification code. So if I check my email, here they send this verification code 625230. So now we need to create a password. So I'm creating the password, then done, then go to app. Yep, so the account creation is done. In step 2, we will learn how to add the security camera to this app and how to use it. So add the camera to the power, give the power. If it get the power, then there will be, so there will be light here when it get the power. Yep, it get the power, and it will rotate. Yep, it's rotated.
Waiting for connection.
So it says waiting for connection. So got it. Now add device, continue, allow while using app, allow, okay,
Waiting for connection.
Then we need to choose what type of device you want to add. If you want to add lighting, then choose that one, but we want to add the camera, so choose camera.
Waiting for connection.
And we want to choose the model, so what type of camera? This one. So smart camera,
Waiting
Wi-Fi,
for connection.
then next, next, now we need to enter the Wi-Fi name and its password.
Waiting for connection.
Next, yeah, so they give us a QR code and we need to place this QR code in front of the camera. So hold it like this way.
QR code scanning succeeded.
Yeah, so it says QR code scanning succeeded
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
and it's waiting to Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is connecting.
So now Wi-Fi is connecting.
Landing is successful.
Yeah, so it's done, it's successful. Now it's done. Yep, it's working now. So it's got connected. Now the next question is how we can control this one. Okay, if you want to make a video, then press this one, continue, allow. Yeah, then it will make a video. And if you want to take a picture, then press this one, it will take a picture. And if you want to talk to someone who is in front of this camera, then press and hold this one. If for some reason camera doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, then we need to reset the camera. So the question is how we can reset the camera. So if you see, there's a reset button here. So there's a reset, and this is the slot for the SD card, micro SD card. So to reset it, take something like this one and press and hold. You can feel something there. Press and hold.
Reset successful.
Yeah, it says reset successful. So you can try then, and very highly likely it will work. So thanks for watching.